we all we all have played like this with DC motors. But do you know how these motors actually work, like in BLDC fans, which are also DC motors? So in this video, we're going to learn how these DC motors actually work. So before going to the video, hello guys, I'm Ravitra Botter. I post videos based on science and technology and sports. So if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that my videos will reach towards you. Now let's go into the video. Firstly, let us look at the inside of the motor. Oh, this is the backside cap. It has two terminals, and the motor doesn't have any positive or negative terminal. If you connect either side, if you connect, it will spin either reversely or forward. So this is what is inside a DC motor. It has two magnets and wounded pieces of coil. I'll remove it. Ow! So much grease. See, this is called the shaft of the motor. That is where we connect our fans or wheels. So this is the coil that is inside it. So why is there coils and how does it work? Now let us learn that. Can't insert it. Magnets are pushing. So now let us imagine that this is the inside of the DC motor. These are two magnets and this is the coil. So we all know that there are two poles of the magnet, north pole and south pole. I think I have a magnet here. So I have two magnets here. So magnets have two poles, that is north pole and south pole. So we all know that unlike poles attract, that is north pole and south pole attract, and like poles repel, like this. These are like poles, I think. Yeah, this is doesn't even stick it, but unlike poles get sticked like this. So now the same thing happens in the motors. So these are permanent magnets, that is they have north pole and south pole as permanent. But this when the motor is not powered, the coil is just a coil. But when it is powered, it becomes a special coil which is known as electromagnet. That is, it becomes a magnet by using electricity. So if it becomes a magnet, it also has its own poles. So it becomes randomly it becomes a north pole or south pole. So now how does it work? This also has become a magnet. This also has become a magnet. So now let's say this is north pole, and let us say this part of the coil has become north pole. So like poles repel, so this pushes it forward. So again when it comes here, this becomes south, so it becomes pulled. So it pulls that coil, but it can't because it is fixed like this. So now this is south pole, so it attracts, but this pole may be north pole and maybe repel, so it repels. So this pushes and this pulls, so again it spins. So like this the poles keep changing and then its spinning happens. Now so let me show you an example. So this is how a coil spins. This is how a coil spins in a motor, and the two sides are guarded by a magnet like this. So and the poles of the magnet are fixed, that is this part may only be north and this part may only be south, but the poles of the coil are not. This is because for one time this part may be north, and if it spins again and comes here, this may be south. So because of the varying poles, the motor spins continuously. So I hope that you have understood how exactly a motor works. So don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thank you.